Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech Surprise. So I am going to launch CapCut tutorial for beginners. In this video I will show you the introduction and what is CapCut, how to download it, how to install it. So in the introduction, if you are new to video editing and want to learn CapCut from scratch, then this video is for you. So what is CapCut? CapCut is a free video editing software which is developed by ByteDance. So how to download it? So to download the CapCut, firstly you have to download the installer. So go to one of your browser and here you have to search CapCut. And to download the software, this is one for mobile, Android, and this one for PC. So click on this link and you will come into this site. Here you have to click on download. So as you can see, this app successfully download, and double click on this software. So I have already downloaded and installed it. So I am going to show you the software. So search here CapCut. So it will take some time. After installing the software, this software is look like this, and I will show you how you can import files in CapCut in next video. So thank you so much for your time.